Hello everyone! Welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're learning how to decide whether a term belongs to a sequence. A sequence is a list of numbers that follow a certain rule or pattern. Common types include arithmetic sequences, where the difference between terms is constant, and geometric sequences, where each term is multiplied by the same number. So, how do we check if a given term belongs to a sequence? Step 1. Identify the rule of the sequence. Step 2. Write down the nth term formula for the sequence. Step 3. Substitute the given term into the formula and see if it produces a whole number for n. If it does, then the term is part of the sequence. If not, then it isn't. Let's look at an example with an arithmetic sequence, sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, and so on. The first term is 3, and the common difference is 4. So, the nth term formula is a sub n is equal to 3 plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket multiplied by 4, which simplifies to for n minus 1. Now suppose we want to check if 35 is part of this sequence. We set for n minus 1 is equal to 35. That gives for n is equal to 36. And n is equal to 9. Since n is a whole number, 35 is in the sequence. Now let's try another example. Check if 34 is in the same sequence. We set for n minus 1 is equal to 34. That gives for n is equal to 35. And n is equal to 35 divided by 4, which is not a whole number. So 34 is not in the sequence. To summarize, find the nth term formula. Substitute the term. If n is a positive integer, the term is in the sequence. If not, then it doesn't belong. And that's how you decide whether a term is in a sequence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials. See you in the next lesson.